Hey guys, this is Frosty8415. I'm going to make a little video here this morning on the Sena Prism tube. It mounts to your helmet two different ways. You got this, these are all 3M by the way. This one mounts to the helmet on the outside. This one mounts under the edge of the helmet. This is for your microphone, your earpiece. There's your earpiece. There's your microphone. There's a little tool that goes with it. All this is really neat because this is the Prism tube right here. I'm putting my finger on it because it's just about the size of your finger. It clips into this, will not come out. I mean, this holds it rock solid. This screws into the end of it. It's not waterproof, but it's water resistant. This goes into the connector in the back. This little connector comes out, and as you can see, it's marked one for the microphone and one for the earpiece. They mount inside your helmet, and I saw the video of this from a friend of mine, and the quality is so much better than the GoPro. And it's the easiest little thing. It's got a little cap, slides right off. Now they do make this in Wi-Fi, but I bought this one because it is a lot less expensive. Not a lot less, about 70 bucks cheaper. And I wanted to try it. Turn it on, slide it forward. It comes on, it lets you know it's on. Turn it off, slide it back. It'll flash, and then it goes off. It's off. That simple. Camera's mounted up here. This is the piece on the end. If I can get my phone to. There's your micro SD card. Then you can format it and reset it, and then there's your charging. The charge on it, by what I've been told, and by all the reviews that I have seen, is that the charge will last anywhere from 2 to 4 hours. One guy was saying he's been getting about 3 hours on it. There is a little cap that goes on this end. I got it laying over here. I'll bring it over here. There's the cap if you don't want to connect the microphone. But I'm starting into this motovlogging, and I thought I'd try this because it's not as heavy as a GoPro. It's streamlined. Plus, it's got an earpiece here and a microphone here so that I can talk as I go. We'll give it a shot and see how it works, guys. This is Frosty8415 out.